Malware. Malware is a program created by malicious actors with the intent to harm a computer user or system. These purposes may include stealing confidential information, such as passwords or financial data, corrupting or deleting files, interfering with the operation of the computer, attacking network infrastructure, using the computer to create a botnet, and much more. Viruses, worms, and Trojans are the most common types of malware. Viruses are embedded in other files or programs and spread when a user opens an infected file or program. Worms attack computers over networks and can spread automatically without user interaction. Virus. A computer virus is a type of malicious software that is designed to damage or change the functioning of computer systems without the user's consent. Viruses can affect the operation of operating systems, programs, and files, corrupt data, perform unwanted actions, or even take control of the system. Here are some of the characteristics of computer viruses. Self-reproduction. A virus can copy itself and spread its copies to other files or computers. This allows the virus to spread quickly among other systems. Worm. A computer worm is a type of malware that spreads independently and spreads through computer networks, even without user action. The difference between a worm and other types of malware, such as viruses or Trojans, is its ability to spread autonomously by exploiting vulnerabilities in network software. Here are some of the characteristics of computer worms. Self-propagation. Worms are able to independently distribute copies of themselves through computer networks. They can use various mechanisms, such as sending compromised emails, exploiting network protocol vulnerabilities, or infecting shared resources. Trojan. A Trojan program is a type of malicious software that hides under useful or legitimate software, but actually performs harmful actions on a user's computer without his or her consent. The name Trojan horse comes from the ancient Greek mythology, where the famous inventor Odysseus gave a Trojan horse to the city of Troy, hiding soldiers inside, which led to the fall of the city. Here are some of the characteristics of Trojan horses. Stealth. Trojans usually disguise themselves as legitimate or useful software to bypass user and antivirus software protection measures. Rat. A rat, remote access Trojan computer virus, is a type of malicious software that provides attackers with remote access to an infected system. The name Trojan comes from the expression remote access Trojan, which means remote access Trojan. A rat allows an attacker to remotely control a computer, perform various actions, and access confidential information without the knowledge of the computer owner. Here are some of the characteristics of rat computer viruses. Remote access. Rats provide attackers with the ability to remotely control an infected system via the internet. This may include viewing the screen, controlling the mouse and keyboard, sending files and commands, gaining access to the camera or microphone, etc. Keylogger. Keylogger computer virus is a type of malware that is designed to record keystrokes on a computer keyboard. Its main function is to allow attackers to gain access to sensitive information that the user enters using the keyboard, such as passwords, logins, personal messages, bank card details, etc. Here are some characteristics of keylogger computer viruses. Recording keystrokes. Keylogger records all keystrokes on the computer keyboard, even if they occur in different programs or websites. Backdoor. A backdoor computer virus is a type of malware that creates potential security issues by creating a secret path or backdoor for attackers to gain unauthorized access to an infected system. This gives attackers the ability to remotely control a computer, perform various actions, and access confidential information without the knowledge of the computer owner. Here are some of the characteristics of backdoor computer viruses. Remote access. A backdoor provides attackers with the ability to remotely control an infected system via the internet. This may include viewing the screen, controlling the mouse and keyboard, sending files and commands, gaining access to the camera or microphone, etc. Ransomware. A ransomware computer virus is a type of malware that encrypts files on the victim's computer and demands a ransom for decrypting them. This type of virus has become quite common and dangerous for users, businesses, and organizations. Here are some of the characteristics of ransomware computer viruses. File encryption. Ransomware encrypts files on a computer using powerful encryption algorithms such as AES or RSA. Encrypted files become inaccessible to the user without a decryption key. Adware. An adware computer virus is a type of malicious software that is designed to display advertisements on a user's computer without the user's consent or control. Although the word adware comes from the English word advertising software and can sometimes be used for legitimate programs, in this context, it refers to malware that causes trouble for users. Here are some characteristics of adware computer viruses. Displaying unnecessary advertisements. Adware displays advertising banners, windows, or pop-up messages on the user's computer screen. This can include advertisements for products, services, online games, and other goods. Cryptojacking. Cryptojacking is a form of cyber attack in which attackers use computing resources of computers without the permission of the owners to mine cryptocurrency. This type of attack has become especially popular in the context of cryptocurrency mining, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Here are some characteristics of cryptojacking computer viruses. Hidden cryptocurrency mining. Cryptojacking virus uses the computing resources of a computer to mine cryptocurrency without the knowledge or consent of the computer owner. It runs in the background to avoid being noticed by the user. Phishing. A phishing computer virus is a type of online fraud that uses social engineering to trick users into giving up their sensitive information, such as passwords, logins, bank card numbers, etc. This is how the phishing virus works. Creating fake websites or emails. Attackers create fake websites that look exactly like legitimate websites of banks, popular services, social networks, etc. They may also send fake emails that look like legitimate messages from organizations or individuals with whom users have trust, asking users to enter confidential information. Rootkit. A rootkit computer virus is malicious software that is designed to hide its presence and activity on the computer it infects. It gets its name rootkit from the terms root, the user with the highest privileges in Unix-like operating systems such as Linux, and kit, a set of tools, because it is a set of programs that allows attackers to hide monitored activities on a computer. Here are some of the characteristics of rootkit computer viruses. Hiding from antivirus software. Rootkit hides from detection by antivirus software and other security tools by modifying system files, processes, and other components of the operating system.